Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of analog photography with a truly charming piece of gear, the Dubblefilm reusable 35mm film camera in a vibrant pink. This isn't just a camera, it's a statement, a conversation starter, and a gateway to capturing memories with a unique, nostalgic flair. Right off the bat, the aesthetic of this camera is undeniable. The striking pink color gives it an incredibly playful and retro feel, making it stand out from the crowd. It's compact, fitting comfortably in the hand, and its dimensions of 5.1 x 3.6 x 2.7 inches mean it's perfectly sized to slip into a bag or even a larger pocket without being cumbersome. One of its most appealing features is its reusability. In an age where disposables are common, this Dubblefilm camera offers a sustainable alternative. You simply load your favorite 35 film, shoot away, get it developed, and then you're ready to load another roll. It's an eco-conscious choice that also proves to be more economical in the long run, allowing for endless photographic adventures. The camera utilizes standard 35 film, which is fantastic because it's widely available and offers a vast array of options. Whether one prefers punchy colors, subtle tones, or classic black and white, the possibilities for creative expression are immense. This accessibility makes it a great entry point for newcomers to film photography. A standout special feature is the built-in flash. This isn't always a given with simple reusable film cameras, and its inclusion here significantly expands the camera's versatility. It means low-light conditions, indoor parties, or even just adding that iconic flash look to daylight shots are all within reach. The flash adds a distinct character to photos, often resulting in that sought-after raw, authentic film aesthetic. Portability is another huge win for this device. Weighing in at a mere 100 grams, it's incredibly lightweight. This makes it an ideal companion for travel, festivals, casual outings, or simply carrying it around daily to capture spontaneous moments. It's so light, one might even forget it's there until the perfect photo opportunity arises. Operating this camera is wonderfully straightforward. There are no complex menus or settings to navigate, making it perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy the pure act of photography without technical distractions. It encourages a more mindful approach to shooting, where each frame feels deliberate and special. Ultimately, the Dubblefilm reusable 35mm film camera in pink is more than just a gadget. It's an invitation to experience photography in a fun, tangible way. It's perfect for those looking to dip their toes into film, seasoned analog enthusiasts wanting a stylish point-and-shoot, or anyone who appreciates a blend of retro charm and modern convenience. It promises to deliver unique, memorable images with every click, bringing a delightful dose of nostalgia to contemporary life.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.